Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about current event situation between the Palestine and Israel. So there has been some tension between the Palestine and Israel, and I want to discuss what has been happening. There have been reports of clashes as ongoing discussion to try to resolve the situation peacefully. The root causes of the conflict are complex, but it is important to understand the impact it has having on the people living in the zone. It's really heartbreaking to see so many people and kids losing their life and home in Palestine. But the world is silent, and only one and two countries are talking about stopping the war. Rest of the country, they are not ahead, as we all believe karma, good or bad, what you put out come back to you. We should not forget nature are watching this. As someone who care about peace and stability in the zone, I hope that both sides can find a way to work toward a peaceful resolution. What I thought on the current situation between the Palestine and Israel, do you think there is a way to achieve lasting peace? That is all for today's video. Thank you for tuning in and joining the conversation. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more English content like this. Stay informed, and I will see you in the next video.